Hey friend, I got a theory. I think I know why Roland Ray has so much fucking audacity. First and foremost, I want to say that I love Ray, but I think Ray might be doing the medications. I mean, think about it. He could travel with him and everything. For real, they could find propofol on his ass at the airport. All he would have to say is, that is medicinal per my doctor. You know? And I ain't gonna do nothing tacky like show them hospital pictures or nothing like that from him getting burnt. But I will show a picture of him healed. We are so glad that you are doing better, Ray. But I got a question. Did it take so long for you to realize that you was on fire because of the I mean, we definitely understand that it's medication for you, so I'm definitely, you know. And remember when he was rolling around people and all that shit? I got a theory for that too. I think he be carrying this shank. Think about it. Is security really going to pat him down? And if they pull out the wine, I mean, really? He is in a whole metal chair. Bitch, don't judge me. I'm not trying to be offensive. I'm just sharing my theory with y'all. I think Ray stays strapped.
His wheelchair is dead.
I just came back from the dead and they told me, you still not that girl.